So Valtteri, welcome to the family. I'm very happy because first of all, you are the driver of my dreams and of my, let's say, the history. When I was watching Formula One, there was Kubica and Valtteri Bottas. So I'm so happy that we have you here.
No, thank you for having me in the family.
Canyon SRAM zondacrypto is our favorite team, and
Mine too.
Yours as well. I remember when we chat with Tiffany before Milan Sanremo, and it was this crash, and she told me that it was the first time that she crashed, and now she's the pro rider. I was comparing her with you in regard cycling, and it's amazing that you are not a pro rider, but you are riding almost on the same level. So it's amazing. I saw the gravel race that you did in Australia. Tell me a little bit more. How was it? Because you were punctured 3 times and you were third, so it's amazing.
Yeah, it's a big passion for me, and obviously Tiffany, my partner, has been a big part of that passion. Initially, I just wanted to keep up with her. That was the motivation.
Okay.
But then I got better and better, and I started to do some gravel races. And yeah, Australia, a couple of weeks ago, we did this gravel national championships for Australia. That was Tiffany's first race back since her injury with the collarbone, and she won it. So she's the Australian champion on gravel, got this beautiful jersey now, and I was third in my age group. It was quite a ride because I had 3 punctures on the way, and like big ones, so I had to fix them manually and keep going. But yeah, I'm getting better. So.
And this gravel race in Finland, I know that you organize it.
Finland Gravel, we've had it twice now, so yeah. It's a good event. It's really fun. We do it this year in August, and yeah, it's just all about having fun, enjoying the gravel roads of the northern countries how they are.
We can exclude a little bit that we are planning a very cool advertisement together. I had a look on the script, and frankly speaking, we still need to keep it in secret, but I believe it will be really something. Because,
I think so.
Yeah,
I'm quite excited about
yes,
it. So, yeah.
I saw your advertisement with Uber, and it was amazing.
Yep.
And I think it will be the same level.
Or better.
All better, even.
That's the goal. Always going for better.
Thank you so much again, and I hope we will have many years together as a partners.
Likewise.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. My
you.
pleasure.